Yes, be ready for the without full stop dictation. Start. Sir, I must congratulate the Home Minister for the excellent beginning that he has made and for the speed that he has acquired to restore the fundamental rights to the citizens and to appoint commissions of inquiry to go into the excesses of the earlier rule as well as the shocking scandals that had characterized last years of the previous regime. However, in all humility, I must confess that it is not enough. The 42nd Amendment of the Constitution should be withdrawn immediately. The fundamental rights will have to be fully restored, and the role and power of the judiciary must be restored immediately. Then the necessary correction in the attitude of the police cannot be achieved if at this moment we do not differentiate between those officers and men who acted on instructions and those who went out of their way to trouble and harass people during the earlier rule. If we do not differentiate between these people and do not give to the guilty exemplary punishment that would serve as deterrent and corrective, we would not be able to reorganize the police department. Now I come to the area of general administration for which the Home Minister is wholly responsible. Our public officers have not earned a great reputation for efficiency. Public petitions and letters remained unanswered and under consideration for months and months together. Public petitions and letters written by the public representatives, councillors, legislators, or members of parliament, even to the ministers, leave aside, the officers remain unanswered or under consideration for years together. Sometimes we do not get a reply at all to our letters. Our people have to suffer because of this. We hope the Home Minister will see that these public officers function efficiently. Even after 50 years of our own government, these public officers, especially officers like block development officers and the public officials, do not behave properly, and they even behave very badly with the public. The Home Minister should look into that so that the public officers behave properly and in a manner as to instill confidence in the people that it is their own government which wants to serve them and not to terrorize them. Within the time you have given, I want to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister to a very important matter. I know the law and order is a state subject. Honorable Member was telling that our Home Minister has encroached upon this state subject. Sir, if some state governments and their chief minister and ministers behave in such a way which is against people's interest, naturally Government of India have to take action against these people. Full stop. Over.